Hello, so we have here a HP Spectre. We're gonna try to disassemble and check the memory and hard drive. So this HP Spectre X360 model 15 EB1043DX. Okay, first we have two screws, one on the right, one on the left. We remove them. Okay, then you have to remove those two support, one here and one here, and under these there is like bunch of screws here. So we're gonna remove the screws, this one, so we can see the screws. I don't know why it used to be easier before. Okay, just need to remove this. Alright, we got it. As you can see here, there is screws. Alright, that's one. We have another one right here. Alright, and another one right here. Okay, we have alright, this one here. So I am trying to look if this computer we can upgrade the memory. We're gonna see if it's soldered to the motherboard or not. And also we can check upgrading the hard drive for extra storage. Okay, after we remove all the screws, now we should be able to remove the Alright, let's check this out. We need some plier tools to get it out. Always you have to be careful, especially if it's not your computer. See, this is not an upgradable PC since the hard drive is internal. Alright, we cannot upgrade, only we can get probably a new hard drive, that's it. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.